I just can't get over the fact this one feels so much better than the gray ones. How to change the grip on the Lekkie Pacemaker from the hard grip to the soft grip. So for this, what you're gonna need is a flathead screwdriver, a sock, and the soft grips. You're gonna see there's two notches, one here. You're gonna put the screwdriver in the notch that's right next to the sensor over here, and you're just gonna pry it open. So actually don't use a sock because I just made holes through it. So you're gonna keep prying and prying until it like pops out like this. And once you've done that, you can just take it out. And this is why you should not use a sock. So once you've got it out, you're gonna take the soft grip and you're just gonna line up so it goes in, and there it is. And this one feels much nicer. It feels like a mountain bike grip. Oh yeah, this one's super nice. Now to change the other grip, you have to do the same thing. Get a screwdriver and you're gonna find there's one here and then there's one here. You're gonna want the other one. And so to put this one on, this little ridge goes on the opposite side to this thing. There it is. Oh, this one feels so much better, bro. It's like, has some plushness, you know? Alright, and it looks so much cooler in black. Wow. So much nicer. Oh, they feel so nice. Subscribe. I'm trying to get rich, okay? I'm trying to get sponsored and shit so I can sell out.